Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can make the keyboard gap out size to make it smaller, and this is useful when playing game on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then next, open up an app to bring up the keyboard. So here, for example, I'm going to open up the Note app, and then in here I'm going to turn this way because when we are playing game, sometimes we have our phone rotate to landscape so that we can use both hands to play games. Now, to make the keyboard gap and the size smaller, what you want to do is tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on size and transparency, and then here you can drag it. So here we can see that when I drag it, I will make it larger, or I can drag it to the right to make the size smaller. So here we can move the keyboard to where you want it, and you can also change the size to make it wider or narrower, or you can tap on the reset to go back to the default. And that's it. So tap on the done button to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.